exercise 11 from Higher Maths Essential Skills. We are looking at surds and simplifying surds. Let's get straight into it. So 1D, square root of 32. Looking for the highest square number that goes into 32. So that would be root 16 times root 2. And what is the square root of 16? That is 4, so it will be 4 root 2. What we might have done here is written root 32 is root 4 root 8, which is 2 root 8. So you might be looking at the answer thinking, I've got 2 root 8, why is it 4 root 2? Well, the square root of 8 will simplify further. The square root of 8 is root 4 root 2, which is itself 2 root 2, so we're doing 2 multiplied by 2 root 2, which is 4 root 2. Okay, so if you're getting the highest square number that's a factor of the number we're taking the square root of, you're going to get to your answer quicker. Part F, same idea here. 16 multiplied by 3 is 48, so root 48 is root 16 root 3. Square root of 16 is 4. Notice I'm always writing a square number at the front here, guys. Please do the same. Most of you will be. So that's where 4 root 3 comes from. Again, on this one, we may have done root 4 root 12 and got to an answer of 2 root 12 and be thinking, I can't do this. Why can't I do this? You just need to try and simplify the root 12, which is root 4 root 3. So we've got 2 times 2 root 3, which is 4 root 3. 1M, similar idea. We've got 5 root 8, so we'll leave the 5 at the front and we just simplify root 8, which is root 4 root 2. So we have 5 multiplied by 2 root 2, which is where 10 root 2 is coming from. 2G, I think you'll all be okay with this, but just in case, remember guys, root 2 is 1 root 2. So we essentially got 3 minus 1, which is 2, plus 7, which is 9. So we have 9 root 2's. 2K, with different roots, we cannot add together root 11 plus root 10. Well, we can add them, but we don't get something nice. We just get root 11 plus root 10. So it does not become something like root 21. Okay. So here, how many root 11s? Minus 4 root 11, minus 2 root 11. So we have minus 6 root 11. And then we've got 8 root 10 minus 2 root 10, which is plus 6 root 10. 3C, a little bit of Pythagoras. So to find the shorter side, we do the hypotenuse squared minus the other shorter side squared. So it'll be 12 squared minus 10 squared, which is 44. So remember that's c squared, so we need to square root 44, which will be root 4 root 11, which is 2 root 11. For D, only reason I picked this one, guys, one or two of you might not know that 49 goes into 147. Okay, so you might be scratching your head a little bit, but add 147 to both sides. Take the square root of 147, which is the positive or negative square root of 147. And then try and simplify here. 49 threes, square root of 49 is 7. So plus or minus 7 root 3.